Hi, my name is Kimari. I'm a research fellow and program manager at the Center for Human Rights and Policy Studies. I've had a great day today here at the session held by KICTANet, and I've learned quite a lot about digital activism as well as digital campaigning, and with the main objective of building our capacity to respond to threats to civic space, particularly on freedom of expression and freedom of expression online. I think the session has been very useful and very imparted a lot of knowledge to different society actors, especially younger people in the career who've gotten the tools that will be useful for mentorship to address these issues. It's a really important opportunity to build solidarity between actors working on these issues. So I think the sessions have been quite useful and quite influential for the main purpose, first of all, of just sharing knowledge and raising awareness about the challenges that we are facing online, but also providing the practical tools that activists and particularly digital activists need in order to sustain online advocacy campaigns. We've learned a lot about digital hygiene, about about cyber hygiene rather, and how to respond to digital threats. And we've also reflected on the recent protests, for instance, in Kenya, and some of the technological developments we saw there, including technological and political developments that have led to restrictions. So I think it was a really useful session. My presentation during the day was in a panel discussing power and I think it was. And I think it was quite an informative panel as well. With the help of my co-panelists, we managed to discuss a lot of issues around how to build the collective power needed to influence change, and also reflected from very practical viewpoints of activists who work on these issues on a day-to-day, as well as legal experts who have an understanding of how to effect changes in policies. The panel discussions and the presentations have also been based on evidence. We conducted research facilitated Article 19, my organization CRIPS, KICTANet, and Haki Africa, that looked into the impact of preventing violent extremism, counterterrorism measures on civic space in Kenya. And KICTANet's research focused on the impact of counterterrorism on online civic space particularly, and it forms an important base to reflect upon when thinking about how to respond to this issue. Thank you.